This is LXBN TV, and I'm Colin O'Keefe. As we continue our coverage of Advocating 2012, I'm here with Tim Flynn, who was just earlier on a panel. We already talked about it once on LXBN TV, social media for practicing lawyers. He is the founder of Clarkston Legal. Tim, starting off, you obviously have Clarkston Legal and that brand, but you also go outside of your own web presence. Can you tell me a bit about your experience with blogging?
I've been using blogging, Colin, the last 2-3 years. I think it's real important to search optimization. Try to blog 2-3 times a week.
And it's actually, it's your blog is through the local newspaper there. It's actually, fed out through that. How has that worked for you?
Real well, thanks. It's through the Oakland Press. I convinced them. They had a nice blog roll. They had no lawyers on it. I saw an opportunity. I jumped on it. Now there's 2 or 3 other lawyers. Some Johnny-come-latelys jumped on board. But I keep my topic real general, and I think it helps on the search results, that's for sure. And I like to think that it helps the paper because we try to pick interesting topics for our target audience.
Yeah, I saw, you were even writing, obviously, you're an attorney there, but you're writing even about the U.S. Supreme Court and that type of thing as well, and I thought that was really interesting. Second, getting away from blogging, what's your experience with Facebook? How do you guys utilize that at Clarkston Legal?
Well, we do have a business page on Facebook, Colin. What I do is I use Facebook to promote our blog posts is one way. Another great way for Facebook is a little different than blogging is you put some photo content on there and it gets picked up. People think that's real interesting. There's a lot of different media out there that's visual and legal related. So one quick example, I got sworn into the U.S. Supreme Court 2 summers ago. The last day of their term, all the justices were there. I was fortunate enough to get a couple of pictures. That went up on Facebook. So,
yeah, it really adds a lot. The photos just takes things to a different level. It adds some personality, but it's just a whole nother level of coverage. And lastly, kind of in that vein, how do you guys use video, and what do you recommend lawyers do along the lines of video?
Well, we are right now in 2012, we're trying to develop a video blog. I'm using Movie Maker, which is just part of any Microsoft Office suite of software. Okay, and just what we're trying to do there is just give 2 to 4 minute snippets of audio of a lot of like what we're doing right now to instruct people, to give them points of interest in legal developments and things like that to supplement our blog, because not everybody likes to read content. Some people like to watch the content.
Definitely. It's just producing content in a format that's easily consumable. 2 to 3 minute videos, 3 to 5 minutes that people can take a quick look and they can get the facts very quickly. It's very nice and it works very well. Once again, we're just coming out of a panel on social media for practicing lawyers. I'm here with Tim Flynn of Clarkston Legal. For more of our video coverage from Advocating 2012, interviews with presenters, exhibitors, and attendees, be sure to check us out at lxbn.lexblog.com. Thanks.
Thanks, Colin.